It's time to speak like a native. Let's do it! In my last video, I talked about the 5 vowels. Do you remember what they are? That's right, the vowels are A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. When there is a noun that starts with a vowel, what do we put before it? A or an? You got it, of course you know this. An apple, an orange, an umbrella. However, if you want to speak like a native, you divide the A and the N, and you move the N to the noun that starts with a vowel. So now we have an apple, an orange, an umbrella. So of course you say these as one word: an apple, an orange, an umbrella. It's important to know that the important words in English, like nouns, are said louder and longer and higher in pitch. However, on the other hand, the non-important words like a and an are said much more quietly and quickly and lower in pitch. This is important because an would usually be said quietly, quickly. However, now that you're moving that n sound that should be quiet over to the noun, which is going to be loud, all of a sudden we have new sounds. You have a loud n. The a is still quiet, but the n that should be quiet is loud. An apple, an orange, an umbrella. Say this quickly. An apple, an orange, an umbrella. This is why you might have trouble with listening, because you're going to hear orange, apple, umbrella. What are those? I don't know. But that's how you speak like a native.